Hello，大家好，歡迎嚟到天下知多啲，我係 Dennis。唔好睇少我後邊呢張嘢啊，成2億美金喺度啊！紐森咧就為咗德州，就令到加州要使2億美金，合唔合理呢？就係為咗一個不民主嘅選舉。我哋或者聽下我哋嘅前任州長 Arnold Schwarzenegger 講乜嘢喎？
Look, I've sat there in Sacramento. I've listened to the politicians for 7 years. They are not interested in giving any power to the people. The only interest that they have is to take power away from the people and grab it themselves. So this gives them a great opportunity by saying, oh, we have to fight Trump. Let's go and get rid of our democratic principles. Imagine to fight for democracy and to get rid of your democratic principles. It doesn't make any sense.
咁佢都好明顯啊，講咗俾我哋知啊，呢個根本我哋已經係有一個民選嘅委員會去劃呢個選區嘅。如果我哋真係撐民主嘅，冇可能要反對呢個委員會佢嘅工作噶嘛。而家咧，佢哋民主黨自己為威畏，就畫咗呢個地圖出嚟，就要我哋去投 yes。所以我哋點可能投 yes？ 呢個完全係民主黨嘅地圖。我哋加州已經係一黨專政嘅情況之下，我哋點可能仲繼續容許民主黨去壟斷埋我哋呢個國會嘅選區地圖呢？
All I wanted to do really is to come out and to say to the people, hold it. Before you go and vote, you should know this is a scam. And vote no on Proposition 50.
記得要投票，係投反對票。我哋多謝大家收睇，我哋下次再見，拜拜。